Hello everyone, in this video we will derive the CDF of exponential distribution. As you know that the CDF or cumulative density function, it's denoted like this: f of capital X given a small x, where capital X represents the random variable and small x represents the observation, and it is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to small x. And you can write it as well like this: probability of x minimum greater than capital X less than or equal to small x maximum. So this is the range of minimum observation and maximum observation, and it is actually the CDF. So we can write it like this using integration of x minimum. Suppose x minimum here in this case is 0, maximum is x, and we will put the function f of, say, f of w and dw. And the next we can integrate, we will put the function value, which is in this particular case is the exponential distribution. So we will write 0 to x lambda e to the power minus lambda w dw. Next we will take the lambda out of that, so lambda 0 to x e to the power minus lambda w dw. Now we're ready to integrate this one, right? Lambda and minus lambda e to the power minus lambda w 0 to x. And now we will put the values of the limits. So this lambda and this one will cancel. We will remain with minus 1 because this the minus sign. So we will have minus e to the power minus lambda w 0 to x. This one and this one will be cancelled, right? Next, what do we have? We will put the limits value. So if we put x first, then we will have e to the power minus lambda x minus, and we will minus will be plus, and here will be e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is 1, so we can write 1 minus e to the power minus lambda x. So this is the CDF of exponential distribution, and we can write it formally like this: f of x equal to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda x, where x is greater than 0, because we take the x observation as starting from 0. So when there will be starting from 0, then we will found this function, and otherwise we will found 0. So that is it, the CDF of exponential distribution. Thank you very much.